Ayon sa interview nila Donnie at Belle, hindi alam ng management na magla-last project na ang Don Bell. Nagulat na lang sila nung nalaman nila sa interview. Sabi nga ni isang netizen, tama talaga ako. Sila ang may gusto at hindi lang for the upcoming movie. Una pa lang, never sila nag-control sa management. Since 2020, fan na ako at hindi sila basta fan service lang. At sila ata ang love team na may sariling desisyon at in fairness, the introduction said all, there's really something private they consider precious for them safe keep. Moreover, we did it. By Donnie, after 10 years is so meaningful, using of we means is including Belle and that showcase how he values so much the relationship they have built, that we what they have gone through together. Always proud of you, my Don Bell, for being so smart and authentic. You never ask an explanation, yet you never hesitate to share these things with us. This is for that hater that said Don Bell have no spark and friends lang. If both saying they soulmates, that deeper than being just boyfriend and girlfriend, it means forever. Po sasabihin ng iba kaya ginawa nila yung ganto, ganyan kasi utos ng management. Ngayon nga sinabi ng Don Bell ay nagulat nga ang management sa kanilang linabas na interview. Nasabi nga ni Bel Mariano na soulmate niya si Donnie. Sabi nga ng mga netizens, soulmates talaga. Feeling ko na pag-usapan nila na even if hindi sila nagka-work noon ay magkikita at mag-meet pa rin sila.